Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use our Shopify app detector extension. So after you install the extension, you will see the icon. If you pin the icon, you will see here. Otherwise, you have to click here and then just click on the extension. So if you click on the extension and the active website is Shopify website, then it will show that the website using the publisher theme. So Mr. B's website using the publisher theme and all the apps. You can scroll to bottom. You can see all the apps list here. You can see the analytics this website using and the payment methods. So if you scroll down, you can see everything and you can contact us from here or you can visit our website from here, Shopify app. And if you click on any app, it will take you to the app page or Shopify app store. So that's it. I hope it will be helpful for you. Thank you.